So to fix it, you can go to go option over here at the top. Here you can see go, and then select go to folder, and over here you can go to this location. So go to this location. So you can, this is provided in the video description, so you can just go to this location. Now once you go to this location, now select the word option. You have to go select this word. So this is the location. So go to word. Now over here, if you see this file, that is zotero.m file. So if you see this file, just delete this file. In my case, I don't have this file, but if you have this file, you can just delete it, and then you can check that this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. Also, if that does not work, if you have link creation file or plugin, you can delete this and then check. So that should help you to fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.